Understanding your Honeywell Thermostat Reset.
Hello, thermostat troubleshooters. Today, we'll be addressing an important question. Will resetting my Honeywell thermostat erase all my settings? Stick around as we unpack the answer to this question and provide some tips to avoid losing your customized settings.
What happens when I reset my Honeywell thermostat?
Resetting your Honeywell thermostat can indeed clear your programmed settings. Resetting often means the thermostat will revert to its factory settings, erasing any custom schedules or preferences you've programmed into the device. The aim of a reset is to essentially start fresh, which can be helpful if you're experiencing issues with your device that you can't resolve, or if you've moved into a new home and want to establish your own settings.
Is there a way to preserve my settings?
Sadly, there is typically no way to preserve your customized settings when performing a full reset. Some models may have a feature to save settings, but it's not common across all Honeywell thermostats. If you're looking to troubleshoot your thermostat without losing your settings, consider contacting Honeywell's customer support or consulting the user manual for your specific model first.
How can I avoid losing my settings in future?
Good question. There are a couple of steps you can take to avoid losing your settings. First, make a note of your preferred settings, either digitally or on paper. This way, even if you need to reset your thermostat, you can easily reprogram your settings afterwards. Another way to avoid needing a reset is by keeping your thermostat well maintained. Regularly clean your thermostat, ensure it's free from dust and obstructions, and replace the batteries as needed. Also, ensure that your thermostat software, if applicable, is up to date. This can help prevent the need for a reset in the first place. So, to wrap things up, yes, resetting your Honeywell thermostat will likely erase all your programmed settings. Always be prepared by noting down your customized settings and keeping your device in good condition. This way, you'll be back up and running quickly even after a reset. We hope this video has been helpful, and remember, a well-maintained thermostat is a happy thermostat.